Hello, my name is Darnell and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Hippie Crafter paint. They sent me a free box to try out and give a review on, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm really excited to try these paints out. Thank you for joining. Let's get started. So here's the box that I received from Hippie Crafter. A box of 24 ready to pour paints. It's an acrylic pouring paint set. Guys, look at this packaging. It's so groovy and fun. So this was wrapped in plastic and I did remove that already. This out. All right, let's look at these paints. All right, so here we have a little catalog for art supplies. Shows some of what they have on their website. Very nice. And thank you. Let's look at these colors. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is take them all out and turn them upside down so you can see them. So here are all the paints. I got them upside down so you can see the colors a little better. There's 12 metallics and 12 regular colors. This would be my favorite already, I can tell. This is metallic sapphire blue. Wow, I love that one. This is good too. Orange, yellow. So I'm going to pick out which colors I want to use. Be right back. So today I'm going to be working on a 12-inch round and I have it mounted to my turntable. The technique I'm going to use today is I'm going to put puddles down and then I'm going to swipe over it with cell activator and then run a marble through it and then spin it out. The colors that I chose: metallic copper gold, metallic gold, phthalo blue, titanium white. This is my base coat. Metallic purple, metallic sapphire blue, metallic white, and ultramarine blue. So get my gloves on, get the base coat down. Let's get started. So these paints are ready to pour, meaning you don't have to do any mixing. They are good to go. So you want to shake them real good, and I got lots of air bubbles, so I'll just use the torch and get rid of those air bubbles. Get my sides. Alright, got my sides covered. I'll probably add some more white around the edges. I just don't have a very big bottle of this, so I didn't want to run out. Alright, we'll start with the metallic purple. It's a beautiful color. Love that shimmer in there. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and use the torch now. We've got metallic sapphire blue. I think this is my favorite. So we're going to add just an extra one. Yep. Right, then we have metallic copper gold. All right, next we have phthalo blue. And then metallic white. And then ultramarine blue. And then metallic gold. Alright, I think I'm going to put a little purple right here. And then maybe a little more of this too, the sapphire blue. And then a little bit of this metallic white here, here. Okay, I think I'm good now. I'm going to go ahead and add a little more white around the edges. Torch. Okay, so I got my cell activator. I'm going to lightly just run this over my colors. Oh, that's beautiful. Really neat things going on in there. That's spinning's just going to open all that up. All right, here we go. Wow! Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Okay, just a little bit more. Oh yeah, it's opening up that lacing. Oh, love it. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right there. I'll get my other camera and I'll bring you down and show you a close-up of it wet. Okay guys, so here it is dry. It is not varnished, even though it looks like it is. It's so shiny and bright. Looks like it already does have varnish on it. It dried amazing. These colors are something else. I love these paints. So if you want to purchase some of these paints, go to the Hippie Crafter's website and use Hippie10 as your code, and you can get 10% off if you're a first-time buyer. I will put all that information down in the description below. So thanks for joining, and thank you Hippie Crafter for letting me do a review on your paints. Your awesome paints. Thank you. Bye.